is I've never give up, working here till I give up. Never been outside before in my life. Just a play doll for girls and little boys. Can't even escape, just a little toy. Wrap me up, package me to send for the parents to spend. Build me piece by piece, assortment. Can't tell you the end, gotta wind me up to speak to you. I have a soul, don't ignore my spirit. This is how I sound. Wind me up my voice box. Wind up my voice box. Listen to what I have to say. This has filled me up with disdain. Imagination is what I have to say. Oh boy, it is Christmas time. For all the gifts for the boys and girls. A little boy saw me and said, oh, I wonder what he says. Don't speak to me like that, I am not a baby. This is not what I'm supposed to be. Now you got me a little glitchy. I have a soul, don't ignore my spirit. This is how I sound. Wind me up my voice box. Wind up my voice box. Listen to what I have to say. This has filled me up with disdain. Imagination is what I have to say. I have a soul, don't ignore my spirit. This is how